DNC-3030DDTT Precision Metal 3-Axis CNC Aluminium Steel Copper 3-meter Drill Press Automatic 4 Spindles Drilling Tapping Machine. We mainly offer auto CNC drilling and tapping machines. First flow drill drilling tapping CNC machine, second micro small hole drilling machine, third multi-axis drilling tapping machine, fourth Gantry Automatic Tool Change drilling tapping machines, fifth OEM and ODM machine. Duomi Machinery is a CNC technology company with research and development, manufacturing, and sales. We have been committed to improving the traditional labor-intensive drilling, tapping and milling processing methods.